The warning vehicle key battery empty quite obviously points you at the low battery in the key fob. However, the problem is that after replacing this battery, in many cases the message will still appear. There are several things that you may want to know and do if this happens to you. First, ensure you purchase high quality batteries. While some other brands' fobs may work fine with cheap supermarket batteries, the BMW fobs are extremely picky in terms of voltage. If the battery you use has high internal resistance or low capacity, the message vehicle key battery empty will register once you install the new battery. Also, these batteries will last about 10 to 12 months on average, so if you see this message often, it may just happen because of low quality batteries that die faster. I know for sure that $1 batteries from a local supermarket will not solve this problem. You need something good like a Panasonic battery, which is in most cases the OEM battery in BMW key fobs. Also keep in mind that the car will throw this vehicle key battery empty message when it just gets a low signal from the fob, which may happen in other cases, like if the fob is in some metal casing, or if the mobile phone is located very close to the fob, or if there is a very strong source of radio waves close to your car. So make sure nothing is interfering with the signal. If you experience signal issues, put the key fob close to the special area on the steering column and the message will be gone. Then just observe if you keep getting this message or not, and if you eventually need to replace the battery in the fob. And finally, if you constantly see this message with the main fob, no matter what you do, but don't see it with the spare fob, the problem is most likely with the key fob itself. It should be checked and probably replaced in the dealership or with a good locksmith.